Welcome to the Quickstart Guide for AMAD, the Alto Materials digitalization platform. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of registering and logging into AMAD. Here is the top bar where it contains buttons guiding you to public notebooks, user manual, contact, and login. Let's start with registering and logging into AMAD. You can log in using the login panel on the top bar. If you have an AMAD account, enter your username or email and password in the panel and click Login. If you have an Alto user account, simply click the Alto Login button. If you're collaborating with Alto researchers from an external organization, or would like to explore AMAD, you'll need to request an account on the registration page. After a successful login, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. This is your access point to everything in the platform. The next video will guide you through more detailed features of your dashboard. Click on the next video to learn about it.